to Kids Ka Fundamental. We have a plate filled with water and some coins inside it. Now, how are we going to remove the coins without getting our hands wet? How? For this experiment, you will need a plate, a glass, a candle which is smaller than the glass, a lighter, 2 or 1 coins, a glass filled with water. You also need adult supervision because fire is involved. With my mother's help, I have lit the candle. Now, I will pour some water into it. After pouring water, I will put the coins. After putting the coins, I will put the glass above the candle. After waiting for some time, you will see the candle is being burned off and all the water has gone inside the glass. Now, you can easily take the coins. This is happening because fire needs oxygen to burn. When you are putting the glass above the candle, the oxygen is getting limited. So, very soon, you will see that the oxygen gets burned because of the candle. That creates vacuum. So, the water gets sucked up to fill the vacuum.